Hey everyone, Ken Surfs here. We're in the Shave Den and we are going to pick the winner of the Leaf Shave giveaway. Now, the folks at Leaf Shave, I want to say thank you very much. You've seen the previous video where I showed you all the items that were in the box. It's a box, it's got a couple of razors, it's got some soaps, it's got some pre-shave oil. It is a nice collection. It's got some razor stands, it's got a hanger for your shower. So special thanks to the folks at Leaf for providing that box. And we are now going to go to my computer room and we're going to use a random comment selector or picker, and we are going to pick a winner of the contest. So I want to thank all of you for entering, and thank you very much for your subscriptions. I appreciate it. And if you get a chance, don't forget to go take a look at Leaf. They have some really good products for sale, I'm telling you, and they work good for me. Whether they work good for you, that's going to be up to you. But I tell you, I really love the Thorn razor. I love the 3-blade razor. I've got them all right here. I've got them all right here. I use them. So they do work great. And what I like is they use the standard DE blades. So if you have your favorite blade, you just snap them and put them in there. Enough of this. Let's go to the computer room. We're going to pick the winner. All right. It's time to pick the winner of the Leaf Shave giveaway. So let me put my YouTube page in here and let me fetch the comments. Choose a filter. Allow duplicates? No. Include replies? Yeah, I don't care about that, but I'm not going to allow duplicates. So there we go. Now they're bringing it in. All right, so now we get to pick a winner out of the 575 unique entries. So, drum roll, and the winner of the giveaway of the Leaf Shave box, I guess, full of equipment, is Doug Fulkerson 5245. There you go, Doug. Congratulations. And we have our winner. All right, congratulations, my friend. Please give me an email when you get a chance, and thank you all for entering. I really appreciate everybody tuning into the channel and keeping us going for, God, it's been about 6-7 years now. We're doing pretty good, and I still enjoy doing these videos, and hey, if you enjoy something, why not keep doing them? So I plan on being here for a while, bringing you all new shaving items. And in fact, we've got some lined up soon. So thanks again to the folks at Leaf for providing such a cool gift. And thank you all for entering. Until next time, see you soon.